Thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Wangu gicigo-ini kia UMBUNGE kia EMBAKASI ya muhuro ni kuo mihango ya kuruguria ikereka ria mbere ria mubango wa uheani wa IRIO kurarutwo thukuru-ini citiganite cia muthingi guku Nairobi UHEANI ta Dishi na KAUNTI URUGURIRIO. Mubango uyu kinyanire thutha wa kurikirira gwako kwa mariko 10 thukuru-ini citiganite kaunti igitanyo kuongerera mariko maya nginya 17.
Mbona tunapeana chakula? Nairobi has the biggest burden for malnutrition. It is actually 3 times that of the country. And actually 1 in 4 children actually miss school because of lack of food.
Kuringana Gavana Sakaja, ikereka ria mbere ria mubango ritanyitwo kuguna arutwo 81,000 guku ikereka ria kerere kihuti arutwo 188,000.
In the next 2 weeks tunaongeza another 100,000 zile jikoni zingine zikiisha. Ultimately we're going to feed more than 250,000. Itakuwa 350,000 children because sasa watoto wanarudi shule.
Sakaja akiere thukuru-ini wa Babadogo oigite rungu rwa mubango uyu thukuru ciothe iria cirĩ thĩinĩ wa icigo 17 cia UMBUNGE gũkũ Nairobi nĩ igũkorwo ikĩgunĩka.
Dishi na County is a clear statement. No child again will have to go to learn on an empty stomach. No child will have to choose between food or education.
Kila mtoto atapewa hiki kidude. Hii saa inaitwa tap to eat.
Na nĩguo arutwo makorwo makiamũkĩra irio ici marĩkoragwo makĩrĩa ciringi 5 oro muthenya.
Hii saa ambayo nimevaa hii inaitwa tap to eat. Mtoto wako utakuwa unatuma kobole tu. Unatuma 25 bob anakula wiki mzima. Unatuma finje ni wiki 2. Inatumwa na M-Pesa. Akija shule tunaangalia.
Akeri hide-ini ori mũmbunge wa Ruaraka TJ Kajwang ni agathĩrĩire mũbango ũyũ akiuga nĩ ũkũhotithia namba nene ya arutwo kũingĩra thukuru mũgarũ na hau kabere.
It will mean ya kwamba watoto wengi watakuja. It will shoot up enrollment in the schools, which is what we want, because we want all the children to come and learn. We increase the infrastructure from what it is by around 350 schools in Nairobi to be able to take care of these children.
Ciege waki wa irathi gavana hithurite kaunti ne igite keheri-ini kigina gia gwaka irathi 1,500 thirikari nene nayo ikimuhura njeki.
We are going to build 5,000 classrooms in the next 3 years. Tukishirikiana na wabunge na national government. National government na wabunge watajenga 3,500, mimi naeka pesa ya 1,500. Mimi zangu naziweka ECD, sisi tuongeze za primary throughout the county of Nairobi.
Mweri wa gatandatu mwaka ũyũ nĩguo President William Ruto arugũririe waki wa riko rĩa mbere harĩ mariko 10 thukuru-inĩ wa muthingi wa Roysambu. Geribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.